previous video, we talked about use cases of the Vue Framework. In this video, we are going to install Vue Framework and implement our first Hello World application. So there is no just one unique way you can install the Vue Framework. There are actually multiple ways of doing that. And in this course, we are going to cover most of them. So the first way is to install the Vue Framework by adding a script tag in your website. So when you add a script tag in your website, you will actually reference the Vue's core library, and after that you can create an instance of the Vue application, and then Vue application will run in your website. And I would recommend you to install the framework using this way if you are starting with the framework. So if you are new to the framework, just use it this way, because then you can focus on the code and learning the framework. And normally I use this approach if I'm just trying to test something, or if I want to prototype something really quickly, then I use this approach. The second way to install the Vue Framework is by using npm. And the npm is short for Node Package Manager. It's a JavaScript application that will help you to install all your project dependencies and packages. It will automatically install them, delete them, update. So it's really great tool. And the third way to install the Vue Framework is by using a Vue CLI. So if you remember, in our first video, we talked about Vue ecosystem, and the Vue CLI is one of the libraries in the Vue ecosystem. And what is actually a Vue CLI? Well, the Vue CLI is just a command line application that will help you to create the new Vue Framework project. Then it will automatically create you all project files, configuration, initial components, routes, and so on and so on. So it's a really great tool. And now it comes also with the GUI application. So it's a web application where you can also do all of the installations of the required libraries. So I would definitely recommend you to use this tool if you are starting with the bigger projects. So now that we listed all different ways we can install the Vue Framework, let's focus now on the first step, on installing a Vue Framework by adding a script tag in your website.